Hi, welcome to mindpal. Knowing how to leverage AI to build some productivity tool for your marketing teams is of crucial importance in this AI age. Today, I'm gonna share with you how you could do that on mindpal. First, I'm gonna walk you through three most important things that you can leverage in this platform. First is the agent, where you will create an agent that will be specialized for a specific task. So here I'm sharing with you all of the agents I have for my marketing tasks in the company. You could see it here. And the second part is the chatbot that can create with this agent. I am creating an agent that can interact with my customer, where I can input the company handbook and I publish this on the website so that it can interact with my customer. The third thing you could leverage is the workflow on mindpal, where you would create a big workflow comprising of different agents so that it would serve a really big task. I'm sharing with you the workflow that is specialized for marketing activities in our organization here, which is repurpose some blog posts, YouTube videos, and write article. Now, I will share with you specifically about 3 use cases of marketing that you can apply to your organizations. First is about content creating. For me, I'm creating different agents for that write content for different platforms. For example, here I have LinkedIn, marketing email, Facebook post, Twitter post. Let me share with you an example of an effective agent that can write for me the LinkedIn post, for example. For example, here I have an agent specialized for LinkedIn writer. So here is the background that I added for the agent, and now I will get it to write for me a LinkedIn post. For example, I create a new chat here, and I will ask it to write for me an article introducing about mindpal about AI use case in marketing. Then it's automatically generate for me the type of post with my specific guidance inside the agent. Here's how you could do more inside of each agent. You can input your knowledge source, where you can input any example content or any information that this agent can get reference from. You can also edit the style of this agent so that it can write in the style that you want. For example, here I have mindpal brand style. So the agent would write in the style that I want about mindpal. For example, rewrite with my requested style. The agent is learning from the style of mindpal of the company. You can also do the same for your company by just adding a new style. You can just paste any previous content on your platform so that the agent could learn from the previous post. For example, here I can just copy a piece of content on the previous one to create an example here. So this feature on mindpal can allow you to input your brand voice in each agent so that it would write in the style that you want. So you create this style, and then you can input this style into the agent. So now let's come back to the agent. This is the example of content creation. You can also create different type of agent for different type of post. For example, I can, referring to the previous LinkedIn agent, I can just duplicate this and then I will create a specific agent for let's say commercial posts, for example. So I will edit this for LinkedIn writer agent for commercial posts. So I can add into the background like you for commercial posts. Therefore, depending on the type of post that you want, you can edit your agent for different type of posts so that it can generate the content, the style of content that you want. So let's come to the second example of today's videos is about how you can leverage the workflow so that it can help you solve big tasks. So for me, I have some example here. First is an article writing workflow that can help effectively crafting an SEO writing article in just a few minutes. For example, if you want the SEO writing workflow to write for you any topic, for example, I have AI in the education and the target audience is the educator and education manager. So it would just help me automatically generate the big stack like this. It will help me to craft an article for the topic that I want. And generate some questions to refer to the next article. So that is the example of an effective workflow that you can leverage to build for your marketing. We also have some example that you can get some reference from here. Is the repurpose YouTube videos. Whenever you want to, if you have an interesting YouTube videos, you can just type in video links, and then it will start generate for you the LinkedIn post, Facebook post, Twitter post that you can just repurpose and post on to any of your platform. And that is the example of how the multi-agent workflow on mindpal can work for you. And whenever you come to use mindpal, you can just, we have different templates for different industry that you can just use it. You can just duplicate and then it will start automatically be added into your multi-agent workflow workspace. Here is the agent that I just duplicate from our template. The next part of the video, I'm gonna share with you one more use case that might be effective for your marketing team. You can create some chatbot so that this chatbot can interact with your visitor or your customers so that you can generate more lead from here. For example, this is the chatbot that I create from one of the agent here. Feel free to create any agent, any chatbot from the agent. I create this chatbot from one of the agent here, the website visitor interaction specialist. Then feel free to add any information or knowledge source. You can input your company handbook so that this chatbot can interact with your client, with your visitor, and for the visitor to learn to know more about your company. And if they are interested, you can collect more information from them. Here I upload a handbook about mindpal, and this is the knowledge source to power the chatbot so that it can help provide some information related to the company. And here I use the user info collection so that you can feel free to just add any field here to collect any information you want for your visitor. And here I have the interface of the chatbot. For example, the visitor can just interact with your chatbot and you successfully collect some lead from the chatbot. Feel free to explore more, and I hope you can you can learn to leverage mindpal effectively through this video. In case if you need more tutorial, you feel free to watch other video tutorials on our YouTube, and remember to subscribe to our YouTube so that you would get more update from us about any use case that we want to share. And also we have a community where we share use case tips, insight, and also you will get to learn from other users of our platform as well. So see you soon.